Good morning, dear students. Welcome to English class. We have learned the poem How Doth the Little Busy Bee and also a parody. How Doth the Little Busy Bee is about a honey bee, whereas a parody is being compared with that of the honey bee and it is related to a crocodile. I had said you to study about crocodiles and alligators. I hope you have known the difference between crocodile and alligator. Now let's go through the workshop, English workshop, page number 36. First one, write the meaning of doth. I had said you doth means does. Opening means blooming. Opening of the flower means it is blooming. It is opening its petals. Cell means a compartment in the honeycomb. Like I said, those hexagonal shapes were there and I had said you those are the honeycomb structures. Now second one. Here in the second question they have said you what is a parody. Just see the definition they have given. A parody is playful comic imitation of a writer's style. Now in this they have given us two columns and they have said to write about the honeybee and the crocodile. First one they have asked me choice of subject means in the bracket an animal. How doth the little busy bee is about which animal? It is about a honey bee or a bee. Second one, in the second one, how doth the little crocodile? It is all about a crocodile. So first answer for the first column is a bee and in the second column I have to write a crocodile. Next, number of lines and stanzas. How many are there? Just go through the poem. See there on page number 35. How many lines do I have? 8 lines I am having and 2 stanzas. In the second one also I am having 8 lines and 2 stanzas. So is it same or similar construction? I had said you while teaching the second poem, a parody. First and second poem almost all the lines are same. They are comparing. So I have to write as yes. Tone of the poem. How is the tone of the poem of the first poem? It is serious, moralistic and inspirational. Means I am getting idea about a honeybee, how it is constructing its house, how it is going to different flowers and collecting the nectar and preparing honey, and how is the wax spread. So it is giving me inspiration and it is a moralistic poem. Now what about this? How doth the little crocodile or a parody? It is sarcastic means it is comical, it is witty. Now let's go to the third one. Answer the following questions and write in short. Why the parody sounds funny? What does the B stand for? The B stands for the creator. It is a model of hard work. Listen carefully. A B stands for the creator. C-R-E-A-T-O-R, creator, who is a model of hard work. It is doing hard work and it is making its home. What does the crocodile stand for? It stands for a destroyer. Destroyer, or it is a killer. It kills animals and it destroys the things. Next one. Why does the bee work hour after hour? The bee works hour after hour to gather honey from the flowers. The bee works hour after hour to gather honey from the flowers. Why does the crocodile work? The crocodile works to attract the fish. so that he can catch and eat them. The crocodile works to attract the fish so that he can catch and eat them. Is the bee a gentle creature? Is a crocodile gentle? The bee is gentle, but the crocodile is not gentle. These are the answers which I said. I want you all to solve this whole exercise in your English notebook in cursive handwriting and neatly. Draw the columns, write everything properly. Describe a crocodile in your own words. Which of the words and phrases in the poem will you use in a realistic description? I want you all to think about crocodile and which words you would like to use for the crocodile and write something about a crocodile. Do it on your own. This much is enough. Remaining 2 questions you need not to solve. That's the end of this 2.4 lesson. Now we'll be starting with the new lesson.